In the last video, I've mentioned some of the greatest Blender add-ons for modeling, but they were all paid add-ons. In this video, I'm going to mention to you some of the best free add-ons for modeling inside Blender. The first one is Select Scene. With this model, you can select something inside your model and select anything similar like that inside your model and edit them all together. Just select something or some part of your model, some face of your model, and go press Select Scene. Anything similar to that face or part will be selected and you can edit them all together. The next add-on is Mesh Data Transfer for Blender. With this add-on, you can simply just transfer the mesh data from one source to a target. The sampling spaces are world, local, active UV, and topology. And the data that it can transfer is the shape, UV, vertex groups, and shape keys. So it essentially transfers anything from your source model into your target model. One of the use cases for this add-on is to make your model with a specific UV looks like your source model without wrapping that around that model. For example, if you have a scanned head with scanned textures that looks realistic, but you want that to look like your character that you've already made. You know that the UV here is the bottleneck because the UVs are different and you can't transfer the texture into your already built model. So in this case, you can just transfer the shape of your source model into your scanned head, and that head is gonna look like your source model but with its own UVs. So you can keep the textures, but the shape is gonna look like your created model. Another good free add-on is Miror Tools. Miror Tools gives you the tools for retopology and modeling inside Blender. You can extrude the face by drawing, make poly loops, deform the mesh with the different lattice and deformers, snap a mesh or surface into a curved surface, and lots of more tools. It's a great toolkit to have. One, because it gives you a lot of tools that native Blender doesn't have, especially for retopology or even modeling. And the second is it's free, so you can at least just try it. The next useful add-on is Analyse Mesh. In modeling, sometimes you hit the extrude, but you forget to move the extruded vertex or edge, or you have n-gons or tries in some places of your mesh and you need them to be quad. You can easily analyze your mesh with Analyse Mesh to see where you have n-gons or triangles. Simply click on Analyse Mesh. You see a bunch of data like vertices, edges, faces, tries, things like that. Click on any of them and it will show you them on the model. The next add-on is EdgeFlow. In the places that you need to create a corner in a hard surface and you need that corner to be somehow smooth, the EdgeFlow gives you just some set of edges in between in that corner to make that corner flow smoothly. The concept is easy, it just smooths the rounds for you. There's nothing hard, but it increases your speed in modeling. That's it for this video. You might find the paid version of this video much more useful because of the add-ons, but of course they are paid add-ons. So these are free, nice to have, and you can just try them. Until the next video, have a great day. Bye bye.